Setting up a project is done in the Document Management module. The first step is to create a profile that includes a variety of information about the project, including name, location, construction type, cost, start and end date. Here you can also add a thumbnail of the project so that team members can quickly identify which project they are contributing to. Next, you will activate the BIM 360 modules needed for this project. In this example, the project will include document management services, meaning that anyone with access to this project will have the ability to review models and sheets. You will then invite project members to this new project. Once you have added these new members, you will enable their access to the Document Management module. Next, you'll need to activate the Design Collaboration module, enabling designers to collaborate on Revit models in real time, using the Revit Cloud Worksharing feature, as well as to manage the exchange of design files with both internal and external project participants. After the desired BIM 360 modules have been activated, you can set up your project folder structure. This will organize the data shown in the Document Management and Design Collaboration modules.